What's going on? You see the hands again. Let's see, make sure I'm not ashy. So once you see the hands, you know what video we got coming. We have an unboxing. But before we get to the beautiful item we're unboxing, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everybody who subscribed so far. We are over 300 subscribers at the moment, just a little over 300. I think it's like 302. So I thank y'all. I appreciate everybody who's engaging with the channel. Please remember, at 500 subscribers, we do have a giveaway that will be including some JRL items, Hunter 1114 items. But hey, that's at 500. We got some time to go. So again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, and thank you to everybody who's been watching. Today, though, we have an unboxing from Caliber. Caliber is a company that I haven't done too much on or even heard a lot about. I do remember hearing about them a few years ago. Another barber in the shop had some of their products, and I think it was a pair of trimmers, and they was the 38 special, I believe. And if you don't know about Caliber, most of their items are, gun references. So you got the 380, you got the 357. The trimmers are 38 special, if I'm not mistaken. They have a shaver. It's the RPG shaver. But today we're gonna be unboxing the 50 cal mag. Yeah, I just got these in today. Actually, this is a Sunday while I'm at the shop. They came in, so let's see what we got. High quality DLC blades, precise adjustments. It looks like they got the clicks on it, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if I can adjust this where y'all can see a little bit more of the box. All right. So you got the fade blade on there, precise adjustments, on and off switch, of course, the LED charge indicator. See right here, charging time, 90 minutes. Look at this. Operating time with a full charge, 5 hours. The longest running clipper that I have now is a JRL 2020C, which is 4 hours. Here we are, 5 hours off a 90-minute run, off a 90-minute charge. So if I'm not mistaken, the JRL takes a little over 2 hours, 2.5 hours to charge up to 4 hours. With this, we have a 90-minute, that's an hour and a half, gets a 5-hour charge. Hey, if it holds up, that is not bad at all. There's a magnetic motor on the 50 cal, universal all-in-one adapter. We'll see about what's, I'm in America, so I just need the basics. But here we go. 10,000 spins per minute. So let's open these up, see what we got. Of course, we got the clipper. Get out of there. Get out of there. Well, you know what? I don't even want that right now. Let's get to what else we got. Got the pamphlet, nothing important. Maybe something important to charge. Got a charge and dock. If you've seen any of my last videos talking about the charge, and I love the docks rather than just having to plug in a cord. So this is going to be amazing. The only problem with having these is having the space to have the charging docks when you got more than 3 or 4, and then having enough plugs. But adapters are nothing. We got the guards. See how many guards we get in here. If I can get them open. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. All right, so we got the magnetic with the 1 clip. 0, I guess, all the way up to a 4. So we got a 0, 4, 3, 2, and a 1 guard. All right, I'm pretty sure these will be interchangeable with wall, and I like the wall guard system, so I'm probably just going to use wall anyway. Here we are with the travel adapter. Europe. Yeah, I'm not going to be using that. So, I mean, that is good that they include it. It's not bad that they include it. I just won't be using it, me personally. I'm scared of planes, so I ain't going nowhere. Got your oil clipper brush, no screwdrivers, no tools of any kind, which you can at least include a small screwdriver, something of that nature to go in there, but that's not important. You buy clippers or you just around, you can find a screwdriver to fix your trimmers. You're in this industry, I'm pretty sure you have one somewhere or can get one somewhere. Let's get this stuff out of the way and get to how the clipper actually feels. Throw that away, I don't need that. All right. Looks nice. It feels very heavy. And this back is actually kind of similar to the Gamma Ergos. Same back. I mean, you got of course they're not the same design, but they do have the same finish. Buttons in the same place. Charging indicator in the same place. They almost sound exactly alike. Let's see that. That I don't know why, but that sounds so like if you get other clippers, I don't know, you can kind of hear a difference. But once you put these two next to each other, it's like I don't know, it's almost doubling up. Anyway, that has nothing to do with this. So as far as the build, you got that nice matte finish on the back. The silver chrome sterling finish. I like that little design interweaved in there, though. I do like that. Not bad. I'm not a fan of how big this look. It kind of almost looks like it's just cheaply made. I would have actually left this off and maybe just put caliber there. I like that logo there, and maybe just put 50 cal across it. That just seemed kind of bulky with all that writing on it, but again, has nothing to do with the actual working of the inner clipper. Yep, got the clicks. That's a hard. It's not loose. I like that. I like that a lot. Not loose at all. Sometimes when you get some, like this one is like this is how it came in the box. I didn't loosen it up or anything. It moves very quickly. This is stiff, and some people might not like that. But me, I mean, once you get used to what clipper you're using and you knowing the stiffness of it, you'll know how to move it. So I do like that it's on there like that. Of course, you can tighten this up. I'm not saying that it's a problem where you can't fix it, but it's already tight. Let's take this off. Got the fade blade. Yeah, man, this is kind of crazy. This is so reminiscent of each other. I don't know how. Of course, the design is different in the sense of the curves. This still has more of the flat back with the finger placements, and this is more of the arch. But I'm not comparing. This is not comparing, but this puts you in the mind of the Ergos. I mean, all the way in and out, it just puts you in the mind of the Ergos. But again, this is just an unboxing to see what we have here. Fade blade, thin blade. I like that. I like this deep space in here. It's easier to get dirt out of them when it's like that. I don't know. That's nothing big though. I do like this so far. So let me read this again. You have 90 minutes of charge time, gets you 5 hours of run time, 10,000 SPM rotation, RPMs, whatever. So that's not bad. This is actually 10,000 as well. And again, I'm sorry if I'm talking about these Ergos, but this clipper, sorry about that. This clipper puts you so much in the mind of the Ergos, like so much, except for the build of it. All right, so there we go. Unboxing, just a quick video of a new tool that I got in. I actually got it in today from Caliber. So we're gonna put this to work this week, or we're gonna put it to work for a little while actually. before I actually do a full review. Caliber Pro, 50 cal mag. We're going to set this on the dock tonight and come back tomorrow ready to work. And we're going to see how these go. I'm going to try to use these for a week straight by themselves and not, of course, I'm still going to use some other stuff, but I'm going to try to make this my main trimmer or clipper if I can. See that blade? That blade looks good, very thin. Got that good fade blade. Like it's ready to go. So the unboxing of the 50 cal. If you want to see a review of the 50 cal, leave a comment in the description. And if you want to see if there's too many similarities between the ergos and the 50 cal, leave that in the description. And follow me on Instagram because I might do a shorter video in a sense of the comparing these two. But if you want to see a full review of these, leave a comment down below. I will have the review if you want it. This seems like it'll almost be too much of the same of the caliber. But here we are, 50 cal caliber. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Share the video, hit the bell, all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll be back with another review, another unboxing, or another haircut tutorial, whichever one comes first. 50 cal caliber, generation 3. I do like that design right there. But we out.